Hey, what's going on, guys? So I'm gonna do another quick tip on how to remove the dashboard out of the Mazda B22 or B2000. Mine's already kind of torn up. You can check out my other video on how to remove these pieces that we have in here now. But to get to the actual dashboard, you're gonna have to remove the 2 bolts on here. Obviously, you're gonna take this cover off. You have 2 more bolts on this side. Remove your hood release. That's gonna be held in place by this bolt on the back. Once you loosen that bolt from the back, then you can just drop it down. You also have a 10mm right here. On the top, you're gonna have another one on each side and on the center. You also have another 10mm right here on this side. Make sure you're disconnecting your AC stuff. And to do it, see if I can show you down here. You will disconnect this clip. This line is hooked here. You basically insert a screwdriver from the top. I just locked it again. From the top, push it down, and then it pops up as you saw right there. You also have another line a little bit higher up. Hopefully you're able to see this, which is kind of the same connector, but this one's a lot easier to get to because you just push it from this bottom part. Once you get those out, you have another 10mm here, another 10mm here, and then we can hop over to the other side. Here, if you give me just a second, we'll have 2 10mm. I heard some people only have 1 sometimes. I have both of them here, so take those 2 out. We also have the cap on this side, and to take those out, and same thing with the top ones. I really recommend you having maybe this little kit, especially this tool right here. It's really convenient because you can just pop it on the side and then pop it out. If I can get my hands in here right now. This one's been giving me a little bit of issue, but I popped all the other ones with this little tool. I might have to use maybe one of the other tools in here, but we'll pop that one out here in a second. You got all your bottom screws. I took them out just in case, and I believe once we take this remainder couple screws, you should be able to just take the whole dash out.